What's up? You feel me? It's no intro today. You feel me? This is gonna be about my 100K special. Let me stop playing. I mean, my 100 sub special. Damn, man. Came a long way. But let's see what I got in the mail today. YouTube sent me a platform. You feel me? Let's check it out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. YouTube sent me a platform.
Okay.
We're gonna see what's going on. Let's go. We're gonna see what's in the box. I've been waiting for this day. I've been waiting for my own platform for the longest. I did it. I couldn't do it without y'all. You feel me? Y'all ready? I know y'all ready. I know it looks sexy.
Stupid.
I know. I should probably put it right here. Somewhere. I could, you feel me? I could just look at it and shit. Y'all like where is that? Okay. So I already got my big ass play button. It's looking pretty neat. It might not be silver, but it's red. I like the color red. And it say presenting to Sluggish Geo. You feel me? For finally passing 100 subscribers. There should be a K right there. But I'm not there yet. So I got a little milestone to run. You feel me? So yeah. YouTube, thank you for this platform. Let's go check how long it took for me to, like, you feel me, make it to 100 subscribers. I be forgetting how to use this MacBook sometime. I'm not gonna cap. What the? Oh, I'm like, I don't got internet. Okay. 100 subscribers, but not a K yet. Okay. Okay. How do y'all check this out? Let's go check my first video before I, try to search when I hopped on this thing. I remember this was my first video. Right here. Day one. Beginning here. 23 viewers. Didn't really watch it. I don't care. It was really long. It wasn't that long. It was really 11 minutes. But you feel me? This shit was ass. This shit was kind of pretty ass. Hold on. My bad. My friend had called me. Alright. How do you search, man? When did I start? Okay. Whoa. I joined July. Seriously? Serious? Damn. I didn't even know I joined July. So, let me see.
What I'm trying to explain to you. What I'm trying to explain to you before. Remember, think what I'm trying to explain to you before.
July. Oh, the 28th. So, I ain't gonna count July.
Think. What I'm trying to explain.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
But you don't know. You forget, right? I say you forget, right? Yes or no?
So,
Don't
hold on.
shake your head.
My bad. Had to pause the video. But anyway. Back in action. But anyway. So, this really took me 5 months to hit 100 subscribers. It's not really that bad. It's straight. But you feel me? I feel like I could do better. So since it's January, like I said, I'm gonna go harder. I'm gonna go harder. I'm trying to make my channel go crazy. So So I hope by probably maybe December, November, I get there. Maybe November or December. Who knows? But anyway, so yeah, 100 subscribers. I'm gonna add a K for myself. 100K subscribers. But yeah, I did pretty good. But yeah, I probably might play a little game for y'all. What is this? This is the Google station, whatever. Not gonna play for too long. It's just I didn't know how to think about. I did not know how to make my 100K special any better. So why not just play a little game for y'all? So yeah. I haven't really played this. I really haven't played this for a while. You can tell I ain't replayed this game for a long ass time for real. Cause like I don't know where to go. I just clicked on anything because I didn't know where to go. Like I said, I ain't gonna play this game for long, but it's just for my little 100K special. Yes, sir. I forgot how to play this. Alright, let me see. This is how you change gun. This is how you aim. Oh, okay. Now I remember. Okay, now I remember kind of. Hold on. Ooh. Damn. I'm really not good at this game, really, because I really haven't played this game. I've been playing Watch Dogs, if y'all know what that is. Once it's past 10 minutes, I'm done. What the fuck? What the fuck is happening? What the fuck? Man, okay, I quit. I quit. I quit, man. Because that didn't make sense for me to die, even though I ain't played the game for a long ass time. But yeah, thanks for the 100K special. You feel me? So yeah, y'all gonna see me more. Y'all gonna see. I'm on the road to infinity. So yeah, you feel me? I'm out of here, man.